Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are looking at how to create art poster using Photoshop. First, before we guys, let's have a look at the resources or the stock images. So first, these are the resources. Nice poster you see here. So guys, don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description. You can download it and use it. So without wasting more time here, let's jump straight into the video. So I start every tutorial of my turn that one. We have a transparent background. Before you start your photo or your graphic design work, you need a preset. To get that preset, you have to click on. So as you can see, so if you want to get that poster preset, you go to Art Illustration and you come to this place and you select your poster. After that, click on Create. Clicking on Create, or if you like, you can change the resolution, the height, and the width. So click on Create. That's it. So that's it. The preset. So as you can see, I have my group folder, which is for background, images, text, and as you can see, we have photo filter as well. So without wasting our time, let's jump to the DJ, which is the background. So guys, I started with this beautiful background here. As you can see, the pattern inside was not yet in. So what I did to the pattern, well, it was red and I added some white with. So you can see that the middle is white. So before I add the pattern to it, you add this effect. After clicking on the arrow, go to Effects and click on Texture. So these are the patterns. We have pattern for trees, pattern for grass, pattern for water. So what I chose was pattern for water. As you can see, there's beautiful art over there. Okay, so cancel. After adding the texture or the pattern to it, I jump straight to create a new layer, which is this one that you can see here. So I created a new layer, which is this one. After that, I went for the brush tool. I picked the brush tool, I changed, and I came to general to select the soft round brush. So let's click this one off. Select the soft round brush. Let me see this. The opacity is 100. So let's decrease the opacity, maybe 56, and click on it. So the moment you click on it, it will give you that light. If I don't even let me click it, let's activate this one. So that is for this new layer, which is white shadow. I call it white shadow. So yes, we are done with the background. So let's jump straight to the images. That's where all the works are. So let's scroll down to this place. So after the background, our first thing we encounter here is the shape. So somebody may ask me, let me zoom in so that you can see it properly. Somebody may ask me, what did I use for the shape? probably all of you, most of you know the answer. Pen tool, that's that I use to I'll drop a tutorial very soon. So that's it for the shape. As I told you earlier, I use the pen tool to draw this particular shape. Okay. So after using the pen tool, layer. Sorry, I imported this splash orange from the gallery. That's why this is a particular image that I imported. I added gradient mapping. Let's double click on this, the gradient mapping, and double click on the green colors I used was dark red, and this one is dark red. In the color of the orange with this particular ketchup color, so or wine color. Okay, this is wine, yeah. So that's it. That's what I did. So after the gradient mapping, I moved on. I duplicate it. I duplicate the splash, and I duplicate the same gradient mapping from the first one, and after that I did this one. I add creepy mask to them. So the moment I release the creepy mask, you see what the work pretends. Oh, cool! That's a milky splash. So this is just automatic. Yeah, and this looks like wine and a black color. So yes, let's quickly turn back to it. So that's it for the gradient mapping. So our next thing is shape. Earlier on with this down one. So as for this one, for the first one I do it. By the second one, I just did a duplicate. That's it for the pen tool and the shape. So our next thing is our main focus item, which is the ketchup. Probably everybody's looking for ketchup. Yes, this is the main thing or the idea. So after bringing in the ketchup, as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to get all the resources, go down the description box. You see a particular link there which will lead you to all these resources so that you can get them free. Design work. Okay, so after the ketchup, let's move to layer. Okay, so actually this layer contains nothing, so let me delete this layer. So I think I could. So our next layer is the shadow layer, which is this particular thing. And in my previous video, I taught you how to create a shadow under an object. So if you haven't watched that video, please quickly go to my channel and go and watch it. Okay. So after the shadow, let's move to our next item, which is the tomatoes. So if you come to the file, you get the tomatoes and everything, you get all the stock images. So let's click. So after the tomatoes, our next one, so this color balance, go to the I have one already, so let me quickly delete this, and that's it. So for the color balance, I adjust the cyan with the midtones and the shadows the cyan to red. So that's it. So from the color balance to the other image, which is the tomatoes. Okay, from the tomatoes we move straight to another color balance. Yes, so as you can see, this is what we have. This is what for the other color balance. So after the other color balance, I move on straight to the ellipse tool. So I created a circle with the ellipse tool. Ellipse tool. So if you click on it, get your perfect circle, and you this thing. The ellipse tool for the pricing and the discount, we added some effects to it, which is stroke and shadow. And I choose the stroke and the drop shadow tool is the blend mode is normal. So after that, click on OK. So guys, that's the end of the images. And before I start, or I move to the photo filter in the text, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have less subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you help me grow my YouTube channel. As you are here watching this tutorial, please don't forget to leave a like or comment under my video. Whatever you find it difficult, you can comment it and tell me, so that I'll check or I'll guide you how to fix it, and you will be okay with your work too. So guys, that's it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share them as well. So what we are on next is the photo filter. So in my previous video, I taught you guys how to use the photo filter and how to get them. You go to adjustment panel, and under the color mixture you get the photo filter, and this is how the photo filter looks like. Okay, this is how the photo filter looks like. So I change the color to wine. My density is at 25, and that's it. That's cool for you to go. So that's it for the photo filter. Our next option is text. So after the photo filter, start putting your text inside, which is 100%. We have 100%, we are sugar free, and we have this writing. We have tomatoes, we have new products, save 10%, and there's, yes, that's it for your ads poster. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like all my videos, and share them to your friends, so that you can also get. And don't forget, thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.